In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use large function in Excel. If you ever need to find the highest, second highest, or third highest number in a list, like top scores, best monthly sales, or largest expenses, the large function is a fast, reliable way to do it. It returns the kth largest value from a set of numbers, where k is the rank you want. Think of k as the position from the top. K equals 1 is the largest, k equals 2 is the second largest, and so on. Start by clicking the blank cell where you want the answer to appear. Choosing the destination first helps you stay organized and keeps the result separate from your raw data. It's also a good idea to make sure your source data really is numeric. Text that looks like numbers won't be counted, and headers should be excluded from the range. Next, type the formula. Begin with an equals sign, then the function name, and open the parentheses. It will look like this. Large array k. Now select the range that contains your numbers by dragging across those cells, or type the range directly, for example, A2 A100. After the comma, enter the rank you want to retrieve. If you want the single largest value, use 1. For the second largest, use 2, and so on. Finally, close the parentheses. A complete example would be large A2 A100, 3. That asks Excel for the third largest number in cells A2 through A100. Press Enter to confirm the formula, and Excel will calculate the result instantly. If you get a value you didn't expect, double-check two things. First, make sure your selected range includes only the numbers you intend to analyze and doesn't capture headers or totals. Second, confirm that your k value is valid. K must be a positive whole number and cannot be larger than the count of numeric values in your range. If k is 0, negative, or too big, you'll see a #num error. If your range contains errors like #NA, those can propagate into the result as well. A few quick tips to make the most of large. It ignores blanks and text, focusing only on numeric entries. When k is 1, large does the same job as max, but large remains useful when you want the second, third, or any other ranked result. If your dataset changes over time, the formula automatically updates as long as your selected range includes the new numbers. That's all you need to confidently use large in Excel. Choose your result cell, type the formula with your range and rank, and press Enter.